This is a digital marketer in 2022, and this is a digital marketer in 2023. Are you following? Probably not. We should talk about it. WriteSeed is an SEO godsend that creates optimized content for whatever project you're tackling, whether that be blogs, websites, Facebook ads, you name it. Increase clicks, conversions, and sales. Skip the hieroglyphic script reading of SEO and let the AI do it for you. Get a full article in 10 seconds. It even goes as far as to give you the topic to write about. Simply tell the AI the niche or industry of your business. Not to mention, it can rewrite sentences, paraphrase, or summarize text. This is a unique time-saving bundle. Next, we have adcreative.ai. Ads Gone Wild. My favorite tool of the bunch, and one I will be actively using for my other business. Generate conversion, SEO-focused ad creatives for your social media, website, business, or anything in between. Let's try this puppy out. All right, so I've copied my YouTube channel, pasted that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and use Dan Kyle TV for the brand name. And I'm also going to use an image that we generated in my first video. And there's plenty of different color palettes, so you can feel free to play around with that and use whatever fits your brand or your sentiment or whatever aesthetic you're trying to achieve. Then I'm going to enter a brief brand description just for some filler here. Once you proceed past that, you get to the creative format. For this, I'm just gonna use some common knowledge here. So subscribe now, it's free. And then I'm gonna go real petty and click please. So then you can upload an image as well. AI's stock image database is actually fairly large. I was quite surprised with how many images that they had. So I've gone ahead here and I've selected an image. From there, you just save the project, take a look. There are so many different options that it's quite mind-boggling that this is free. Third on our list is tldv.io, a voice of the customer. Do you remember in school when teachers would always say, listen to what I'm saying instead of writing, then proceed to tell you to write after you've listened? Well, there's a reason for that. TLDV is a meeting recorder that transcribes and summarizes your calls with customers, your team, or even potential clients. It was only a matter of time before AI rendered the I'll take notes guy in the meeting obsolete, for better or for worse. Whether you're a business or an entrepreneur, you can focus more on the customer and their feedback instead of racing to keep up with their comments. Moving on to Brandmark. Kickstart your brand. Admittedly, there are very few user-friendly logo makers with customization on the market today. There are plenty of capable designers, but inspiration can sometimes be the problem. Similar to writer's block. With that said, graphic designers often throw things at the wall and see what sticks. Design a unique, professional logo for your business or client with rapid succession. Compile a bucket full of designs for social media, app icons, letterhead, business cards, the list goes on. I mean, why pay a designer $50 on Fiverr when you can easily do it yourself? Last tool on the list is Be Human. Human connection at scale. The emphasis on email marketing has become apparent with every single website you log into offering you their left arm and a 25% discount to enter your email. Why do they do this? Well, the answer's simple. Continue to service their existing customers. Be Human is ironically a tool which allows you to create personalized video that can be delivered to thousands of recipients. You can create personalized message that is automatically changed to the customer's details, their address, or anything in between. Whether you're launching a new product, service, or you simply just want to stay in touch, Be Human reignites the human connection while leveraging the power of AI. It's evident that the realm of AI tools in digital marketing is both expansive and formidable. If you're tinkering with these tools now, you're not going to be taken by surprise in the future. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI-driven strategies. Until next time, keep evolving.